Fromage fry. Have a look at these. New Bird's Eye crispy chips. I wonder if they will be crispy. Right guys, so yeah, Bird's Eye crispy chips for every day and every way. Now look at the picture. Hopefully it'll come out on the camera, but they do look like they got that look of crispy crunchiness about them. Well, I hope they are. Right, is there any gumph to read out? Spiel? There isn't, apart from what I just read out. There's a lot of whatever all this is, giveaways, free. Oh, it's a free board game, whatever all that's about. Right, you might as well have a quick look at the back again. The ingredients and the nutritional information. There's some traffic lights there, you might as well have a look at them as well. Right, let's get straight into it. Cost. So this is 900 grams. What does that say down there? Suitable for vegans. Hang on, I better read this out. No artificial colours or flavours. Suitable for vegans. Gluten free. Right, so this is 900 grams. £2.50. Which I thought wasn't too bad. Obviously you can buy supermarket branded chips up cheaper than that, but as these are supposed to be crispy, I thought, wow, if they are actually crispy and they're a nice flavour and they're a nice soft fluffy inner, they're probably worth £2.50. They're definitely worth a go. I better review them. So here they are. Right guys, there's only one way to find out what they are like, and that is to fire up the oven and get some Bird's Eye crispy chips on the plate. Right, okay guys, here they are. Here are the Bird's Eye crispy chips. Now, to be fair, I had to cook them a lot longer than they said. I think it was 16 to 18 minutes, something like that. I cooked them longer than that, a lot longer. Now these ones have got some salt and vinegar on, but I have got a few here that are unseasoned. So have a look at that. So it's pretty much your bog standard chip. It has got a slight look about it that it has got a crispy coating, but I had to cook it longer to get that. Let's see if I have. Not overly crispy. They have got a different coating than what you would get with a standard chip. There is something on there. Not as crispy as I was expecting though. Yeah, not as good as I was expecting. Right, let's try them with a bit of salt and vinegar on. See, now you're talking. I love salt and vinegar. So eating chips plain are got to be for me anyway. But once you add that salt and vinegar on it, just transform a chip, doesn't it? But they're not really crispy. So I'm now thinking about value. Is it worth paying that little bit extra to get crispy chips? I don't know. Right. Chip butty. Let's see what they're like in a chip butty. I mean, they're light enough. Let's have a look. So they're nice and light and fluffy inside. There is a slight crispy, crunchy coating, but not much of one. Little bit gimmicky in my book. You got Bird's Eye, you got the name behind them. So you got the branding behind it to sort of like get the initial sales, just like caught my eye, pick it up. Oh, is this got to be any good? I have to say it is a little bit of a... I think letdown is a bit strong, but it's, yeah, a bit like getting a helium balloon and that sort of hover. Rather than lead balloon, it's just sort of hovering. It really is sort of, it's all right. You're just not, just another level more and you'd have been happy with it. It's frustrating because it could be a good product. It just needs to be just a little bit more crispier and it would have been exactly what it said on the tin. Lovely in a butty. But having said that, I did these in my oven. I think these are designed for an air fryer. I bet if they were done in an air fryer, they would be crispy. I might have to try that. I have got an air fryer. I might do a follow-up video on this and try them on. I'll tell you what I might do. What's left, I might do in my air fryer, and if they do crisp up, then I'll buy another bag and I'll redo a second video. So if you don't get a second video within the next month, you know that they don't crisp up in an air fryer. More than they've crisped up in the oven. Hey, boo boo. Right. Score. Right, I'm going to have to be fairly brutal with this, I think. So we've got 900 grams, £2.50. Nah, too much money. I haven't reviewed them, but I had some M&S chips. Bought them a while back, just used them, and they weren't that much. I think they were around about £2.50, and I'm pretty sure you got more than 900 grams as well. I'm sure that is a 1.5 gram bag. I'm not sure about that, so don't quote me on that. But what I'm saying is you can get chips from M&S for better value than that. Certainly chips from all the supermarkets, better value than that. And for me, this is not really any better than a standard chip. Especially, you put salt and vinegar on it, it's just a slight crisp to it. Excuse me. I'm going to have to try these in an air fryer. I think these are designed for an air fryer, but to be fair, I still think they'll be a little bit overpriced. So score wise, based on this, would I buy them again? Not at that price. They're a decent product, don't get me wrong, they're a nice product. They're just too much money, I think, for £2.50. If they were priced £1.80, something like that, they'd be a good solid 8.5. But at £2.50, 7.5. Too much money. Too much money. £2.50, you want to be a 1.5 kilogram bag for me. Right, there we are, guys. Have you tried these yet? If so, please get in the comments, let me know. And if you enjoyed them, how did you cook them? I'm sure these will be better done in an air fryer. Right, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you'll join me and this one here, Boo Boo, the Custard Kid, again soon on another video. Take care, guys. Right, where's Bob? Oh, he's waiting, look, Boo Boo. Point, he's on the ball. There are Bubbles. All right, Boo Boo, I know you're getting 4. God, blimey, he nearly had my hand off. He nearly got none then, Boo. Yeah, Boo. Right, 4 for Boo Boo. Cool, you're in that. Yeah, Boo Boo. Bonjour, guys.